Honda Hornet TomTom Rider 550 SE. Got it mounted like so, next to the handlebar mount. Small zip tie keeping that wire in place there, like so. Running it forwards, coming down here. There's this nice hook in front of the fork where you can run the wire through, let's say. Coming down here, got it zip tied here next to those two ones running through this cable holder, let's say. You can undo these two bolts and the tank will pivot up, running from this bolt back here. You can bring the tank up like this high easily. Then run the wire behind the tank, got it zip tied in two spots behind the tank. Wire coming here, running underneath here, zip tied it here. And then got this one here with the remaining wire zip tied down here. In case you want to install it on a new bike or whatever, you got the remaining length still available. I'm gonna connect two wire clamps on these ends and then can mount on the battery like so, just here.